In our environment today, we can see a lot of waste around us plastics, cellophanes, and other garbage that harm nature. Many people just pass by, not realizing how it affects our world. That's why I decided to take a simple step by picking up the trash I found around me. Even in small actions, we can make a big difference. Cleaning our surroundings is not just for beauty. It's a way of showing care for our Mother Earth, the home that gives us life. After cleaning, I planted papaya and peanut trees. These small plants will one day grow and give fruit, shade, and clean air. A simple act, but full of hope. We can all help the environment in our own little ways. Let's start by cleaning, planting, and caring because the future of our planet depends on what we do today. Let's protect nature because nature protects us.